Today we are making street style Maggi, which is really yummy. And if you're really bored with your regular Maggi, you can make this Maggi with a new twist. So let's get started. Now we have took a pan and we have some oil in it. We are heating the oil up, and when the oil is heated, we're gonna add some cumin seeds. Now after adding the cumin seeds, we're adding the ginger garlic paste. Now let's mix it up. Now after cooking this 30 seconds, I'm gonna add the onions and mix it up. Now, as you know, I added the onions, but you can add any of the vegetables you like, and it's your choice. Now, we're going to add some tomato puree in it. Now, mix it well. We're going to add 1 glass of water in it. Let's add 1 more glass of water in it. Now let it boil. Now it has started to boil, so we're going to add the Maggi Masala and we're going to add a little bit of salt. Stir it well. Now let's add our Maggi to it. Mix it well and let it cook for 4 or 5 minutes. Now it's been 3 minutes and we're going to put 1 tablespoon soya sauce in it. Now mix it. Now finally, we're going to add some tomato ketchup in it. And then we're gonna mix it and let it cook for 1 minute. Now our Maggi is officially ready, and now we're going to grate some cheese in it. Guys, hope you liked the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Cheers!